Hey there, YouTubers, friends. The Facebook conversation going on contemporaneous with my making this little YouTube has swerved into a lot of thinkers. William James, Borges. It started at Heidegger, and it's just been branching out. CJ's on that. Also, he's the one hosting this particular event, a meetup on Borges' Library of Babel. So I've been tracking down some of the links, and that led me to listen to all these lectures. Is this all five of them here? Yes, I think it's five lectures that were six given at Harvard. The Norton lectures, 67, 68. Interesting. So I want to find out more about some of these things. And what I'm thinking, though, in terms of Fuller and Borges is because I couch synergetics in the humanities, I would say it's like going into Borges's library and finding synergetics in there, right? And that's all possible books. And he's saying, you're going to find everything. It's just nonsense outweighs sense. Now, just the pictures alone, though, are pretty informative. So you'll see a lot of the time I'm just jumping straight to the graphics, which doesn't mean I don't value the prose. I actually think it pays off to be fluent about things like the voids between the spheres and what the CCP is all about, right? It's like, don't wait until you become a crystallographer, which few of you will, or any of us, right, as a job title. But as far as knowing these patterns, you shouldn't have to need that credential. Oh, because I'm a crystallographer, I had to learn about this. It's a much more fundamental vocabulary, which we can trace back to classic geometry. We don't need to disconnect from any heritage to be adding these memes. Okay. So that's kind of where I'm at with how to. Now, the thing I want to know more about is, wasn't Fuller a Norton professor at Harvard for a bit? And what lectures did he give? Did he give lectures or do something different, or what is going on with that? So I'm going to have to look up the timeline again and figure that out. All right. Talk to you later.